Hi everyone, Ernie Bray here with ACD, and today I want to touch on AI, machine learning, and automation in claims. Now, anybody that knows me knows I get really passionate about innovation, and when it comes to AI and machine learning, I believe that there's going to be a huge tipping point when it comes to this area. Now, think about this. If you could just take unstructured data, structured data, and utilize AI in ways to empower the adjusters, think about this. You're basically making adjusters, you're basically augmenting their intelligence and decision-making capabilities with machine learning. And they can make better decisions with this data, this historical data. You could really drive efficiency in the entire process. Now, there's so much of this out there that hasn't even been harnessed. And if you can make this happen, you will reduce and eliminate mundane tasks that actually take away from the adjuster's job of actually dealing with a vehicle owner, a policyholder, and actually dealing with more complex claims. You then will be able to streamline these low-touch claims and get them handled with automation and AI. There's so much opportunity out there. I'd love to hear your input. Comment at the bottom of this video. Tell me where you think the industry is going. I'd love to hear from you. And again, thanks for listening to the video.